Hello, welcome to the overview on ESS BIZTOOLS Business Plus edition for July 2023. Happy new financial year. I hope that 2023-24 will be very successful for you and your clients. But if that's going to be achieved, there's a lot of hard work to be performed over this next 12-month period. In this edition of Business Plus, we've started with a very appropriate article, I think, for the start of a new financial year. And that's predictive accounting, an important tool. It's an important tool for you to supply to your clients. And it's not too late for those who you haven't heard from or you haven't had time to prepare budgets and cash flow forecasts and projected balance sheets, the key components of predictive accounting. So we have an article there which hopefully is going to alert your clients to the fact that you can help them obviously prepare long-term budgets, including projected balance sheets. And a very important announcement I want to make today. Please write it into your diaries. Next Tuesday, the 18th of July at 10 a.m. AEST, we have a special webinar featuring the CEO of Plan Guru from the USA, talking to us direct on the issues affecting accounting firms in the USA and what they are doing about offering a broader range of professional services as advisory services, but also in particular predictive accounting. So please register. We've created the registration on the ESS BIZTOOLS website. Please register for this very important webinar to hear two experts talk about what's happening in the USA and what the application of that might be in Australia. So we'll have Christian Wheeledge, the CEO of Plan Guru, and Paul Barnaby, fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountants, who's the Australasian representative of Plan Guru, talking about the Australian perspective for accounting firms with the changes in technology, the changes in processing by the tax officers in both USA and Australia, and what that is likely to mean to you and to your clients. Continuing on the Business Plus newsletter, we've also talked about capital raising opportunities for SMEs. I think this is going to be important for you during this fiscal year and probably the one beyond. And that's because of the higher interest rates, more of your clients may be looking around to funding alternatives. And definitely one of those is looking to raise capital direct from the public. They need business plans, budgets, cash flow forecasts, projected balance sheets. They need a vision for their business. And you could work with them. There will be some significant announcements concerning government grants, I hope, in the next couple of months, that were promised by the Federal Treasurer in the budget. So there might be some grant opportunities similar to the Accelerating Commercialisation Grant, which ceased on budget night. So hopefully there's some good news and you will be able to help your clients with their funding requirements. But one of those requirements may well be looking at raising capital direct from the public under Section 708 of the Corporations Act, early stage innovation company for young companies who have been undertaking research and development type activities, and crowdsource funding, equity raising. We also talked about capability statements. Are they up to date? These are very important. So please mention these to your clients. They need these. They should be on their website. They should be able to send them to their clients and obviously prospects. Succession planning helps. Succession planning is always with us, and I thought it was about time we wrote a follow-up article on articles we wrote a couple of years ago on succession planning. And hopefully each of these articles is going to generate some interest from your clients. They'll be contacting you for further information. And as part of the series where we look at entity types, this week we're looking at unlisted public companies. So we have some comments there. You may get some inquiries from clients about that. Not as many as you might get for some of the others. And we've started a new series, which we did run a few years ago. We're starting it from scratch again. What's it mean? And each month, we're going to comment on particular terminologies that we as accountants use and don't really think about it. But our clients get a bit confused at times. So this is a way of just explaining to them 2 or 3 items each edition so that they get an introduction to some of the jargon that accountants use. Thank you very much for your support of ESS BizTools. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions for future articles in Business Plus, please don't hesitate to contact me. Just give me a phone call, 1800-232-088, or send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. From the team at ESS BizTools, thank you for your support. Have a great day. Goodbye.